The Mini Temperature Data Logger Testo 174T monitors temperatures continuously and reliably. That's why it's used especially in the pharma and food industries. The Mini Logger is easy to install and operate. Its internal memory records up to 16,000 readings. After the measurement, you connect the logger's readout station to your PC or laptop. We include suitable software for the analysis in delivery. Data export is carried out conveniently with Excel. And changing the batteries is no problem either. Your measurement data are securely stored in the instrument. Find out more about the Mini Temperature Data Logger Testo 174T at your distributor or directly from Testo.